What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video, as y'all see by the title, I'm coming to y'all with another hair review. This video is sponsored by AngieQueen hair, so shout out to them. They sent me over some straight hair, some HD lace, y'all. This unit is so bomb. 13x6 parting space, all that. If y'all want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. So I'm just showing y'all what the wig looks like. This hair was some of the softest straight hair I've had. Love this hair, y'all. It was just so flowy, so soft, and it was just really nice. Minimum shedding. We gonna get into all that, but I'm just showing y'all the stuff that I used. Well, I just already showed y'all. As far as my ball cap and just leading up to this point, I'm wiping my hairline with alcohol, and I'm gonna go in with my boho active to do my glue. I only did like 2 layers because I didn't plan on keeping this wig on long at all. As one to, you know, be an influencer or, you know, review hair, do all that stuff, the more you get in, you know, the less time you could really keep your wig on. So yeah, I just did like 2 layers of glue, and I'm just smoothing that out with a popsicle stick. Nothing too crazy at all. This hair is bomb, y'all. This is a 24-inch HD lace wig, and the parting space is 13x6, which was bomb because it gave me a really deep middle part, which is what I wanted. This was pretty, like, this was just an easy, self-explanatory, what is it called, install. I had a brain fart for a second, but yeah, this was a really easy wig install. I just literally straightened the hair and did another bust down middle part. Like, I don't know, that's what I was just feeling again. Maybe I can try to switch it up and do different looks as far as styling my wigs. But yeah, now y'all just see me doing a little bit more plucking on the sides because this wig fit really good from ear to ear on me. So I just cut off the extra lace, and I'm also cutting the lace off around the actual hairline. Y'all see me doing that with a straight razor. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this and pop in when I feel like I need to, because these videos getting pretty repetitive. Like, y'all already know I be doing the same stuff. I'm just cutting off the extra lace once again that didn't get glued down. Oh, I guess I'm gonna keep talking. So I'm going in with my Pump It Up spritz, and I'm just using this to go on my hairline. I kind of wish I used something different, just because Pump It Up spritz is super harsh, and once it dries, it has whatever you done sprayed it with, like, really stuck in place and kind of hard. So you really could just go in with like some Got2b glue spray, or I could have even went in with that black spray. I used that spray, by the way, the Eben spray, to lay my ball cap down. But I could have used that on the edge of the hair as well. I would recommend a hairspray versus Pump It Up spritz. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm new to the Pump It Up, y'all could tell. So now I'm just going in and getting the top super flat with my Carrot Care wax stick and hot comb.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
See, y'all see what I mean? It came out looking super harsh. The hairs were just stuck. I don't know what I was thinking. Like I said, I never used that. I just recently bought it, so it's like, girl, stick to what you know. But anyways, I'm just going in more with the hot comb. Now I'm about to part out the baby hairs and cut them. Use my hot comb on them. Use my really skinny baby flat irons to curl them, and then I'm gonna lay them down with a little bit of Got2b glue gel in the black bottle. And yeah, this part I'm gonna just let y'all watch. I did 2 on each side, and yeah, they were pretty dramatic. They were cute though, or whatever. And I know the lace is light, like I said. I'm gonna go in and fix that. Just trust the process, because it gets crazy sometimes before it get pretty. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing on the other side.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Now y'all see me going in with like a dark powder, and that is what I'm using on the lace to darken it up. If you are darker than the lace and like you get some lace and it's really light, just go in with a color that's like darker, like even darker than what you would use for foundation. You just need something darker, because sometimes your same shade as far as like your foundation shade won't even do the trick. So I just recommend doing like a contour shade, like whatever your contour shade is. That's like a little tip if the lace turns out to be too light when you're installing it, like this lace was on me. So now I'm just going in and straightening it. I'm not taking all day on this because it's self-explanatory, and I'm pretty sure y'all don't care to watch me straighten my hair for the, I don't know, 30 to 45 minutes that it took me to do it. It didn't take long at all, because this hair, I think it's 150% density. All the information will be in the description, by the way, y'all, and y'all can go shop the links there. Definitely do recommend this hair if you're looking for like a straight wig or just any wig at that. They have a whole bunch of other options. Oh girl, and just like that, we're done. It looks really cute. I beat my face, y'all. I had an outfit on and it was just real cute. Everything was like together, but I got tired and I did not record myself directly after I got dressed. So child, this was me wrapping it up for the night with my little t-shirt on, but y'all get the gist. The face was beat. The hair was really simple. If I could do anything different, it would be not to use Pump It Up spritz on the edge of that lace to melt it. Pick something else, sis. Like, I'm gonna just stick to what I know. Other than that, like I said, y'all can see this hair is super flowy, soft. It had a natural luster to it. I did add the bio silk, as y'all seen in the straightening process, but yeah, genuinely did enjoy this hair. And I feel like some good sign with a hair is if it's not tangling at the nape. Like, that's something that I wanted to mention, because for my last couple of installs, you know, like the couple of days of wearing it, I could just wake up and it's literally flowing. But yeah, y'all, that's basically the end of this video. Make sure I go shop the links. Thank you so much for AngieQueen here for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.